What's going on, guys? It's Macaulay coming back at you with yet another video. I'm saying that like I've made a ton of them. This is just the third video. Boom. You know exactly what it is. The iPhone 12 Pro Max. This thing is a workhorse. So it's supposed to be, anyway. I don't know. I haven't actually used it yet. I've been waiting to use it because I wanted to do a full review, an unboxing, a cinematic video over this. So I actually haven't even opened it. I got it yesterday and I haven't opened it until just now. But at its core, I got this for a multitude of reasons. One, I love Apple. Always have, always will. Love their products. Number two, as a videographer, there is nothing more annoying to me when I'm watching a video and it looks like, I don't know, that's not exactly what they're doing, but that's what it looks like to me. This iPhone uses sensor shift optical stabilization. And what that means is that instead of the lens doing the stabilization in the camera, the sensor itself is moving to accommodate the user's movements. That way they get a stable shot. It's the same technology that's in like the A7S III and the Canon R5 to get those really nice smooth images. Oh, also, in the future, it's not out yet, but in the future, Apple Pro RAW. Boom! So whenever I'm out and I don't have my camera gear with me, as a photographer, the ability to be able to reach into my back pocket, grab a device that can shoot a raw photo. Heck yeah, I'm gonna jump on it. Heck yeah. I wanna get that crispy shot. I wanna get that clean photo. You're gonna be able to shoot raw in something that fits in your pocket, in something that fits in a sandwich. I know that doesn't make sense, but it's what I was thinking about because I'm quite hungry. Oh, also the battery's supposed to last really long. I'll go into more details in a much more in-depth review over the camera on this phone. But right now, I gotta get out there. I gotta go shoot something. I'll show the edited and the non-edited versions of them. You can tell me what your thoughts are on it. If you're a photographer, if you're a videographer, if you're on the fence about buying this, you know, hopefully this video or these photos will help. Or you may not like my editing. I'm also gonna tell you this right now. I'm gonna look right in your eyes, okay? I told myself that I would get 100 subscribers by the end of December. And I'm sticking to it. What can you do to help? Oh, thank you for asking. You can like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on that little notification for whenever future videos get posted. Now I know what you're thinking. You only have like 4 videos on your YouTube right now. Macaulay, why would I subscribe to that? Those are chump numbers. But I'll tell you, everyone started. I mean, I don't know if they started with 4 videos, but everyone started. So to that, I say, I don't care. I say, hey, do it for me. Do it for pure pity. Maybe you'll learn something, maybe you won't, maybe you'll make fun of me. Either way, it's gonna be a good time. I mean, I guess for you. If you make fun of me, it's not gonna be a good time for me. Whatever. I'm gonna go shoot with this.